It's like 7:12 in the morning, motherfuckers. We just got to Sterling about 2 hours ago. We set up camp. Had a little fire, but the wind blew it out, so we said fuck it. Got our tie outs out over there. Pup's napping at the moment. We're just smoking a couple bongs, making a tea, taking our frozen boots off in the snow.
In the snow.
Got our heat tarp over there. And our what? Tarp's moving.
That's fine.
Blanket's getting cold. Oh, that's why I got this too. All right, some good green, hatchet, some good dogs. Got a meat thing. If you see the hump in the tarp there, that's all our dog meat. And our dog food's filled full of you see that yellow bag there? There's our dog food, and then our dog meat, and our meat, and then I got like a shopping bag full of clothes. And it took us, what, 5-6 hours?
Yeah.
About 5-6 hours from home to get to where we are now. We're about, 10 minutes from Sterling on the Trans-Canada Trail.
Yep.
I got 4 dogs. Yeah. Got our wheels, Jigs and Rolo, and our lead or sprints, Sasha and Timber. And I'm about to smoke a toke. So here's this motherfucker. He's all hairy, blue-eyed. Here's this motherfucker, freshly shaved, not blue-eyed. And as the monsters say, the moon's still out. Run, dogs, run.